Morning students, welcome to you in DSS online classes. I am your teacher Saroj Srivastava. So today I will explain you chapter 5 Seeds and Seed. In this chapter I will discuss the main point is following. Firstly, seed germination, pitcher plant and dispersal of seed. What is a seed? Seed is a small structure. When it gets suitable condition, it grows into new plant. So firstly we start the story. Gopal was waiting for his mouse's family which is coming at his home. Gopal was preparing how should he spend his holiday with his cousin. His mother told that he soaked 2 small bowl of chana. But when he was soaking the chana, he thought, how will 2 small bowl of this be enough for 8 person? मीन्स ये 2 बाउल जो चना है वो 8 आदमियों के लिए कैसे पर्याप्त होगा. सो ही सोक्ड अनदर 2 बाउल ऑफ चना. When his mother returned and saw that chana were overflowing from the vessels. So children, can you tell me how did that happen? क्या तुम बता सकते हो कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Yes, you all are thinking right. When he soaked chana seed, it absorbed the water and swelled up. जब चना को उसने भिगोया था तो चना के जो सीड्स होते हैं उसमें टीनी पोर्स होते हैं जो वाटर को एब्सॉर्ब करते हैं. After some time, you can see teeny white thread coming out from the seed. It determined that seed is sprouted. कुछ समय बाद उसमें से छोटे छोटे थ्रेड के जैसे चीज दिखाई देंगे जिससे ये पता चलता है कि सीड आपका स्प्राउटेड हो गया है. So now we will perform a small activity of sprouting a gram seed. Firstly, we take a bowl full of gram seed and pour some water in it. Left it for 12 hours. After 12 hours, take all the gram seed in a piece of cloth and left it again for 12 hours. After it, you can see this white thread showing that seed is sprouted. That means seed is fully sprouted. Now discuss some question here given. What things are soaked before cooking in your house and why? What thing do you eat after sprouting? How are they sprouted? How much time does it take? Next, has the doctor or someone you know ever told you to eat a sprout and why? You can write answer of this question in your notebook. Do this and find out. Do you remember that in class 4th you did an activity with seeds? Now try another one. Take some chana and 3 bowls. Put 5 chana in first bowl and fill it up with water. Second, put a damp piece of cloth or some cotton wool in the second bowl. Now, keep the same number of chana in it. Make sure that the cotton wool or cloth remain wet. Next, put the same number of chana in the third bowl. Do not put anything else in it. Cover all the 3 bowls and observe after 2 days and note the changes in the bowls. Students, see in this table, in first line, it has been asking the question, are the seed getting air? And you have write the answer according to bowl 1, 2 and 3 by performing that activity. As you are in second line, are the seed getting water? And third line, what changes did you see? And fourth line, have the seed sprouted? Now, once again, tell and write. In which bowl did the seed sprout? What difference did you see between this bowl and the other bowl? Why did Gopal mother tie the chana in a damp cloth?